Hello, how do I use maximum daily chart for stock selection, swing trading chart analysis? We are going to use two stocks here. The first one is PWR, and I'm going to share with you how I use the daily chart to do my analysis and to pick stocks for trading. So we have PWR here, and today is September 22nd, 2025. We are doing the analysis before the market open. So that means we are using Friday price to compare to where we want to buy. So Friday, the price dropped. That's why the price is highlighted in red. That means at the end of the day, the price was lower than the price in the morning when the market opened. But with our long up to long swing trading strategy, we like to buy at the support line that pass by the valley of the mountain. It is a long trend line crossing multiple years, and right now the price is far from that line. Therefore, we are now going to buy these stocks, and we are using maximum daily chart. With long up to long swing trading strategy, I found the maximum daily chart to be to help me have a feel of the pattern the price is drawing, and to see the tendency if it's pulling back or if it's still going up. For instance, with PWR, I will say it continued to go up because it reached a new high here and is pulling back to this support line. But from here, it could continue to go up again because it touched base with the support line at some point here and went up and start making new highs here. So chances are is still on its way up. It's not done claiming the mountain yet to be done, to start pulling back. We purchased it. The arrows here just shows where we purchased it. We purchased it somewhere here at the beginning of 2025. In February, the date is on the x-axis and the price on the y-axis. So we purchased it when it pulled back to this support line, and this support line now, by looking at it, seems to be more the upside wall of the mountain that the price is leaning on to continue going up. So when we purchased it, it turned out to be that it was done going up and start going down. So we purchased it there, but it was not enough. It continued to go down and touch base with this valley line, and we bought it again. It went up a little bit, pulled back to it before it was ready to start going up. So when it made a new high here, we sold it. It was our exit point. Alternatively, we could have stayed in the trade because it touched base with the support line here. It's going to make multiple new highs before it will be really claiming the mountain and will decide to go back down again. If we compare this time that it touched base with the support line here and made a new high, it pulled back, went up, and did that, time to time will pull back to this line and continue. So this line is going to be a line you might use to rest on and continue going up for a while before it'll be ready to go down. But because we purchased it at a high level here, although when I put my mouse here, the price corresponding to it is low, but I know that it's going to use that line to rest on and continue going up. And since I bought it around that line, I didn't want to stay in the trade. But because it's an uptrend, upward stocks, even if it touched base with it somewhere here, that price is still going to be higher than the price that I paid for it here. But we sold it, and that's why the arrow at the top facing down is pointing out where we sold it. And we bought it in February, and then in March to sell it in June. So that is how I use maximum daily chart to do my swing trading chart analysis of upward large cap stocks to select stocks that are well positioned for me to buy if there is any. And this, it is now one of them today, based on the long up to now swing trading strategy that I'm using. The next one we are going to analyze is ROL. So ROL, we have two lines that we highlighted here in purple to buy at. And right now, Friday, the price dropped. But again, it seems like it may not be done going up since it reached a new high there. But it's been doing that for a while. So probably from here, when it touched base with this line here, it has been doing that for a while here. So therefore, we don't know if it's done with this climbing the mountain and will start going down. We are not sure. But again, the price is far from where we want to buy. Therefore, it's not a stock we are going to select to purchase today either. So that is an example of how I analyze my stocks on my watch list using maximum daily chart to see if there is any stock for me to purchase, and if there is a stock that I already purchased, it will be highlighted on my watch list if I still have it in my portfolio, and therefore I will use the maximum daily chart as well to see where I want to sell it compared to where the price is. And where I wanted to sell it will be the next new high, comparing, but then there I will compare it to, the previous highs to see if it's going to make multiple. If so, if I want to stay in the trade longer or get out, just like the way we did it with PWR. Those are decisions that we have to make based on how the chart is fluctuating and based on at what level we purchase the stock as well. If we purchase it too high, any pullback could go close to where we purchase it, and we might be negative again for a while before it starts going up. So, and those are decisions we have to make. Or if we accumulate enough profit in that trade and there is another stock that is setting low and getting ready to start going up and we want to buy it, maybe we might decide to sell the one that we accumulate a good amount of profit in, so that we can buy that one. Because with long up to now swing trading strategy, you buy when the stocks is pull back to the value line and start going up, making higher lows. And when you buy and choose the exit, the time you will sell it, the next new high, you will have the stocks in your portfolio for a while. So you do keep your capital, most of your capital, in form of stocks in your portfolio. Therefore, you might be low in capital to buy stocks if you are now adding more money to your account. Therefore, sometimes you might decide to just sell the stocks because you are happy with the profit you have in it, to buy another one that is getting ready again to take off. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and NinaSoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money, just as small, one share at a time, or the minimum amount of money that you can afford to spend on a trade That way you can spread out your capital by trading a lot of stocks in your portfolio to see if they are working well with the strategy you are using. And by just buying one share, if that's enough, when you sell it, to make profit, to pay the brokerage fee, and to have some profit, even if it's as low as $1, it allows you to practice the strategy you are using to to see if it's comparable with the stocks you have in the portfolio, in your watch list, or if you need to change some of those stocks, replace them with some others, until you find a number of stocks that are well comparable with the strategy you are using. And from that point, to make more profit, you just buy more share. It's all about finding a sustainable, repeatable strategy that you can just keep using to swing trade and grow your account $1 at a time. And for over time, your account will grow with the money you are investing in it and with the profit you are earning from swing trading. It's not get rich quick strategy I'm sharing with you. It's just trying to create another stream of income beside our paycheck, our job. And with this low optional and swing trading strategy, you can do it if you have a full-time job, because you are not going to buy stocks every day. You are not going to sell stocks every day. And there will be days you will buy quite a bit. There will be days you will sell quite a bit. And there will be days you won't buy any or sell any. Thank you. And for more of our swing trading related videos, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video. Thank you.